It's only natural to assume big problems require big solutions. But as leading providers of efficient turnkey implementations, Barcodes doesn't just offer big solutions, we offer big ideas. And with the QuickDeploy Labeling Kit by Brother, big thinking now fits in a small box, designed to fit your company's needs with just a printer, scanner, USB cord, and printing supplies. Serving as a standalone solution for multiple industries, the Brother QuickDeploy Labeling Kits gather everything you need to create professional labels for any application. Choosing from either RJ3150 or TD2000 printers, implement your labeling solution while lowering operation costs. Just load, scan, and print barcodes without integration hassles, connectivity issues, or costly misprints in less than 24 hours. Maximize productivity and lower costs in your operation. Wherever you need to go, Barcodes has a label solution fit for you, functional right out of the box. Contact Barcodes to find out how the Brother QuickDeploy Labeling Kits can boost productivity and efficiency in daily operations.